Steel manufacturing faces a massive, costly problem: waste. Every leftover piece from cutting steel bars is cash lost, piling up into billions in losses each year. This waste is not just an inconvenience, it impacts profits, sustainability, and the entire industry's future. Steel that's never used still gets made, shipped, and discarded. According to a 2024 study, around 28.4 million tons of steel are lost globally every year from cutting waste. On construction projects, 5 to 8% of steel rebar becomes scrap. Manufacturers face a perfect storm: skill shortages, rising costs, tighter margins, and new carbon taxes. Meanwhile, outdated tools like paper and spreadsheets leave operations exposed to inefficiency. We are Nightingale HQ, a Welsh startup bringing practical artificial intelligence to factory floors, aiming to turn waste into profit and boost sustainability across the industry. Go Smarter, our AI production assistant, digitizes processes, extracts data instantly, and optimizes cutting plans, replacing guesswork with mathematical precision for immediate impact. At its core is our patent-pending carbon-aware knapsack solver, which arranges cuts on steel bars like Tetris, minimizing waste before production even begins. And with a pay-as-you-grow model, Go Smarter is accessible to all manufacturers. We need your help to bring this revolution to the metals industry. We are seeking £350,000 to accelerate growth and revolutionise steel manufacturing. And metals isn't the end of this problem, or the end of the value of a product like Go Smarter. We are eager to be at the forefront of bringing AI-driven solutions to more industries.